something different.
Puppet, you noticed.
Welcome to Season 2, now in widescreen and in color. Ugh.
Puppet, what's the matter?
Puppet have virus.
Ooh, what kind of virus?
Puppet have Olympic fever! Do, 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 do,
Puppet,
do,
you've
do,
been
do,
watching
do,
a
do,
lot of
do,
the
do.
Olympics this week, haven't you?
Yeah, you know, it's the most exciting thing me ever see on TV. They run fast, they swim fast, they hurl big chunks of metal. They're the closest thing to real superheroes.
Mm-hmm, they are.
Have you seen that Simone Biles? She kind of like Wonder Woman. Me think that she might have real powers.
Well, she may have real powers, but I believe the energy and powers that she's getting is probably from the food she eats.
Oh yeah? Me hear they pack up on the carbs.
They do. They pack up the carbs for quick energy, but for sustained energy, protein. Yeah. They drink a lot of protein shakes and eat a lot of protein. So, today, I thought I would make a protein shake for everyone.
Power drink.
Power drink.
Yeah.
This one is
Show me how to do the power.
Oh, you're going to like it. So,
Puppet need power.
Puppet need power. Puppet's going to get power with yogurt, some whey, some peanut butter and chocolate whey, bananas, blueberries, whole milk, and peanut butter.
Yeah.
So, ready?
Yeah.
Super simple.
Do it.
Okay. So, we're going to get our pitcher here.
Yep.
We need our pitcher.
Yep.
And first we'll start with the yogurt.
Yep.
Now, honestly, Puppet, if this is too much, you can also buy these. But I thought it'd be fun just to try to show everybody what we do.
Yeah.
Okay, so then goes in the bananas and blueberries.
Fresh.
Ooh,
Whoa.
blueberry all over the place. Let's just...
You can have that one back.
Thank you, Puppet.
Yep.
Let's just put those... Now, you're probably wondering, what is she making this in a pitcher for?
That's exactly what me wondering.
Well, you're going to see how we blend it, how we mix it. Here goes the chocolate peanut butter whey. Smell that.
Yep.
Like that.
Yep. Keep going.
That's the protein powder.
Yeah.
In peanut butter.
Oh, yeah. The best part.
A little bit of peanut butter.
Best part.
In.
Yeah, peanut
Then
butter.
you got to have a liquid. Let's move these over here.
Yep.
And then we're going to pour in the whole milk.
Dump it.
Dump it.
Yeah.
Get it all in.
All right.
Now, we're going to blend that up. We are going to blend that up with our little immersion blender.
New machinery! Yay!
New machinery.
Olympic machinery! Yay!
Olympic machinery.
Yeah.
So,
Do it.
put that in here, and this is why we're using this pitcher, so it doesn't splatter all over. Look at that. See, now we're keeping your fur clean.
Mash up the stuff, and we'll get you something wrong.
Now, these immersion hand blenders are amazing, because you can do everything in the container. Look at that.
Yeah, pretty good.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
Give it a little.
Yeah. Buzz it up.
Zap it around. Buzz it up.
Yeah.
Buzz it up.
Do
All
it,
right.
do it. Yep.
Now, let's pretend, and it should be done. Let's take that out of there.
Okay.
And it's going to be a little messy, but we
right.
don't mind.
Keep going.
And then, look at. I want
born a little messy.
You've born a little messy. So,
Okay.
look at that. Chocolate, peanut butter, blueberry, yogurt.
Yeah.
I'm putting it in a puppet-sized cup.
Me had some doubts, but it smells pretty good.
Look at that. Now,
Yeah.
I want you to taste it.
Yeah.
Little sip.
Well, that good. Yeah.
How do you like that?
Me feel energy. Me feel power. Yeah. Like, you know what?
What?
Me gonna show you my Olympic event. One arm sit up. Push up.
Please.
Push up.
Please show us.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Me win gold?
Well, Puppet, you won this kind of gold. It's a special gold.
It looks a little different than the gold we see on TV.
This gold is special because it has chocolate inside of it.
Oh, now me know why the Olympians spend so many years in training. It all about the chocolate.
Yes, it is. So, we are going to call this our Olympic closing ceremony, our Olympic wrap-up.
Okay.
And we want to thank everybody for their time. We hope that they enjoy their protein shake.
And the rest of the Olympics.
And the rest of the Olympics, because it's always very fun to watch those closing ceremonies. So thank you. You know how to get a hold of us. Thank you, Puppet, for being an Olympian. And
Olympic fever!
We will see you again next week. Puppet. Thank you.
Thank you. Ugh.